Welcome back to the Hippo Origami Show. Today we're going to fold the 37th member of our 100 Exotic Paper Airplane Challenge. It's the Phoenix plane by Andrew Duarte. It really flies and it's a plane with a bird head. So let's begin. We'll need a piece of square paper, color side down or white side up. Depends on what you're referring to. Put this aside, fold it in half. Corners up. This is going to be a little tricky now. We're going to fold from here to here, but not really fold. We're just going to pinch it a bit. So hold the paper, roll it all the way up until you see a nice diagonal from this corner of the paper to the middle. Once you have that, press here to pinch it. Now, fold this edge to that pinch. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So, from the center to the top corner here, once you got that nice diagonal, pinch it. Then fold this edge to that pinch. Once we got that, the hard part's done. If possible, help me share this with the world by giving me a like. Thanks. I'll really appreciate it. Fold the edges to the center. You might be wondering why on earth would we want to fold this piece slightly shallower. This is to increase the wingspan so it can fly better. Now, same thing here. Done. Then we're going to open up the wings from this corner to where this is. The center of the paper. Same thing on the other side. And the most part of our wing body is done. Now we're going to fold from this point to this point, making sure that this stays in the middle. So like this. You can align it a bit by making sure the tip here is at the center as well. Once you have that crease, we're going to fold from here to here, back out again, so where these 2 points intersect. That, and again, remember to align it by matching the crease in the middle on the other side. Reinforce it with your fingers. Now you have this. Fold it in half. If your folds were accurate enough, they should fall directly on top of each other, like this. Now, we're going to make the head of the Phoenix. Fold it up like that. Reverse fold. And another crease and another reverse fold. For the wings, you want to fold it down from this tip to the end here. And you want this to be 90 degrees to the vertical line here. Alright, let's do that. Same thing on the other side. Fold to match. Open it up, and our Phoenix plane is complete. Ta-da! Remember to share this with the world by giving me a like. throw it, just hold it where the center of mass is and shoot like this. Let's see how it flies.